How to prep a Club Car Precedent for installing DoubleTake rear seat kits. To remove the rooftop, first remove the hardware securing the top to the front frame. Next, remove the hardware connecting the top to the rear drain supports. You can now fully remove the top and set aside. Remove the seatback cushion by removing the 2 hex screws located on the back of the bag rack assembly. If you plan on reinstalling the factory seatback cushion, you will need to set aside the factory hardware and save for later. Remove the bag rack assembly by removing the 4 bolts securing it to the golf cart. Next, remove the 2 inside bolts that secure the rear top supports. Remove any additional golf course accessories, such as sand bottle holders, cooler brackets, etc., by removing the 2 screws on both sides of the bag rack assembly. If there are no accessories, you must still remove these 2 screws on each side to release the bag rack assembly. You should now be able to remove the bag rack assembly as a complete unit. Remove the bag rack supports by removing the last 2 bolts securing them to the car. Now it's time to wash and clean the golf car to prepare for rear seat kit installation. DoubleTake, because looks matter.